Hello students, welcome to yet another class of accountancy. In this lecture, we are going to discuss few topics which are very interesting. So, what are the topics? First one is forfeiture of shares which were issued at premium, and through the help of a question I am going to tell you under subscription as well as cash book, how to make cash book. Okay, so we will start reading the question. Vikram Limited issued 50,000 shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of rupees 1. So premium amount is rupees 1. So 3 on application, 4 on allotment, that means 3 plus 1. Okay, this one is of premium plus 2 and plus 2 on final call. Here it will be 2. Okay, now sir, how do you know this question is of under subscription? See students, application were received for 46,000. How many shares are there? 50,000. Application came for 46,000. So this is under subscription. Over subscription we have already dealt in the previous questions. Though under subscription are asked very rarely, but still it's a concept, so we have to understand. And see, it is more than 90% of the share issued. 90% would be 45,000 and these are 46,000. Okay, all of these shares were accepted. वो तो करेंगे भाई. Then directors did not make final call. Okay, and one shareholding 800 shares did not pay first call. So now share forfeiture start because his share were forfeited at the end of first call. Okay, and they were reissued at rupees 7 for rupees 8 share paid. Okay, we have to pass the journal entries and make a cash book. Now, so as per your convenience, I have made the solution for this. See, in the books of Vikram Limited journal entries. See, I am passing the journal entry of bank as well. Because we have cash book, so no need to pass the journal entry separately. But I am passing it and you should also pass. Why, sir? Because this will help you, as your all the solution will be of similar nature, so there won't be any confusion to any of the students. That's why, and only you have to pass extra 4 entries of bank, which you can directly pass into cash book as per your choice. But I will suggest you to pass the journal entry of bank as well and make cash book separately. Okay, we are giving extra. We are not giving less solution, we are giving more solution. Okay, so what will be the first entry? You know, bank account debit to share application account. Okay, and this amount will be 46,000, not 50,000, because only subscription came for 46,000. Okay, is this clear? 46 into 3, clear? Now share application to share capital, this entry is easy. With same amount it will be 1,38,000. Now at the time of allotment, this will be new for you, though I have told you, but in question I have not told. So here you see, share allotment account debit to share capital account 3 rupees, and this is for 1 rupees. Okay, as I told you, the share capital can never exceed its face value. Okay, and this is issued at premium. These shares are issued at premium. Okay, more than the face value. So in share capital we can take only amount up to the face value, not more than that. Okay, so how it will be calculated? 46,000 into 3 and 46,000 into 1. Okay, in this way we will calculate the amount. Now the entire amount we got, so the entry will be bank account debit to share allotment. My dear student, this entry is clear to you? Securities premium reserve. ICAI has given notification that now only the word securities premium is to be used. Reserve is not required. Okay. After the Companies Act 2013, reserve, we started writing reserve. Okay. But you can write any two securities premium reserve. It is given in your book. You can also write two securities premium. Okay. Now, bank account debit to share allotment account. Now what will be the next entry? We'll call for the first call. So 46,000 into rupees 2. Okay. Now 800 share did not pay the call amount. First call account amount. See here. So 800 into 2. 1600 has not paid us the amount. Rest will pay, isn't it? Or you can say 45,200 into 2. Clear? And 92,000, you know how to calculate. Now, what will be the journal entry for forfeiture of share? Share capital account debit to share forfeiture to calls in arrear. See carefully and listen to my explanation. How many shares? 800. How many called up amount? 3 plus 3 plus 2. Isn't it? That means 8. Share forfeiture, how much amount received? 800 into 3 plus 3, 6. And calls in arrear? 800 into 2 not received. Sir, हाँ बोलो बच्चों बोलो. Sir, he has also paid the securities premium amount. Yes, students. Company will keep that amount in the reserve itself. They are not showing it as share forfeiture. Is this clear? The amount received on share. What? Tell me first. The amount received for securities premium. Listen carefully. Amount received for securities premium will not be taken to share forfeiture account when received. Okay? That's why company will keep that amount in the reserve with the company itself. Okay? At the time of, listen carefully. At the time of forfeiture of shares issued at premium, there are two conditions. One condition is in this question, and other condition I'll tell you again in the next lecture. So what is this condition? Listen carefully. If the amount of securities premium received on forfeited share, there will be no entry at the time of forfeiture of share regarding the amount of securities premium reserve. Is this point clear? Okay. There's another concept as well, or you can say a part of the same concept. Okay, that I will tell you again with the help of a question. But I think this point is clear to you. Okay. Now, what will be the next entry? Reissue of forfeited shares. So they are issued at how much amount? Tell me first. Yes, 800 share for rupees 8 each. So what will be the amount? 800 into 7 and reissued for 8 rupees. That was called up amount 6400. Okay, that means the remaining amount we will take from share forfeiture. Okay, and what will be the entry for capital reserve? tell me fast, what will be the entry for capital reserve? Share forfeiture account debit to capital reserve. Okay, so 4800 minus 800, that is 4000, with the amount of 4000. Okay, see, 4800 minus 4 minus 800, that means 4000. Okay, see this amount and this amount will be utilized. Okay, now moving on. So this was the concept of under subscription as well as share forfeiture of shares which were issued at premium. And the one more thing which I wanted to teach is cash book. So nothing you have to do in cash book. All the entries related to bank only will be treated in cash book, as you know. So what will be the first entry? Bank account debit to share application account. Okay, this side which increases the balance of cash, and this side is if the amount is refund, only that amount will come, that reduces the bank amount, isn't it? So how money came? Through application, through allotment, through first call, and then through reissue. Okay, so all the amount, that's why I have passed the journal entries, so that it becomes easy for you to make cash book, isn't it? And you know how to make cash book in class 11th, we have a chapter of the same. So you know, this is receipt side, debit side is receipt side, and this is payment side. So the way money comes, so through application 1,38,000, through allotment 1,84,000, through first call, that is 90,400, second call was not made by the company, and the reissue of shares 5,600. This is 5,600. Total it 4,18,000, and this will be the balancing figure. Balancing figure. Is this point clear to you? Okay, students, you can take the screenshot. Remember, this is 5,600. Okay, and the smarter students will make cash book by themselves. No any big issue in making cash book. This is to